Today, create a V2Ray VMess server and set it up on NPV Tunnel for a secure web connection. Open browser. Type UDP Custom and enter. Find the official UDP Custom website and click it. On UDP Custom homepage, find the menu button and click to see options. From the menu, click V2Ray Slow DNS Server. You'll be directed to server location selection.
After selecting location, you'll be redirected to account creation. Enter username, complete CAPTCHA, and click Create Now.
Your server details will be generated. Copy V2Ray VMess server details. Go to Play Store, search NPV Tunnel, and install. Once installed, click Open. Click Config, then plus button and click Import from Clipboard. Click V2Ray Config. Your server will import. Click Log to check connectivity. You've created a V2Ray VMess server account and set it up on NPV Tunnel. If helpful, like, subscribe, share. Thanks.